Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all very easy and simple 5 room decor craft. So it's very affordable as well. And the best part is that you can get it done in like flat 10 minutes, not more than that. So it's super easy, super simple, super affordable. So let's get started. The very first home decor thing which I'm going to show you guys is canvas painting. For that, I've taken a canvas. You can take any size of canvas as per your preference. I have put on white acrylic paint as base coat. Once it is done, I'm gonna paint branches of tree, which is very simple and easy. Even kids can do it very fast. You don't need to know painting or art or anything like that to draw it. As per your thing, you can just throw few branches here and there. It can be very random because it's nature. In nature, you don't find everything to be perfect. It's very random yet very beautiful. So it's very easy to paint nature thing, even if it is leaf or branches or flowers. Right? So next thing what we need is we need 10 to maybe like 7 to 10 q-tip. Just put it all together with a rubber band and then just take two colors of your choice, just to get that double color effect. I have taken red and pink color, and then just dip a q-tip into that paint. Make sure that both the colors get into that q-tip just to get that double effect, okay, double color effect. Now what we are gonna do is just dab this q-tip onto these branches. We need we need to look it like that there are lots and lots of flowers in these branches. That's what we are gonna do. Okay, so very simple, very easy. As I said, even kids can do it because it's that simple, but the outcome is so beautiful. Just try it out, guys. You're gonna love it, especially if you do it in very big canvas and just put it onto your room or to your drawing room, or else you can gift this as well. It's gonna look, I mean, like so beautiful. So just keep doing it until you complete all the branches. You can just randomly put it outside the branches as well, few dots here and there, so that gives an effect that few flowers are fallen down. And that's it. It's as per your creativity. You can make the changes, and with that, our first craft is done. How beautiful it is! It's very simple, but it is very beautiful. So that's it. Now let's move on to second craft or second room decor. For that, we need mud pot. These mud pots are very easily available in streets or even shop. You can take the any variety, because it comes in a lot of varieties. Like it comes in these kind of pots, it comes in a like flat pot. So there are a lot many varieties, so you can choose the one you like. And I'm gonna take sandpaper and just rub it all over it, because in that way it gives a smooth surface, so it's gonna look much better. Now I'll be painting it with white acrylic paint. As I said, to have that base coat, I always prefer white paint, but then if you want, you can definitely use any other color of your choice. Here also we just need two colors, that's it. So for base I have taken white. So once it is dried completely, you can go over it once again. That is, you can give two coats for better results. Now you need a polythene cover, and then just squish it all together. And here I've taken red color, so just dip this polythene cover into that red color, and you can just remove the excess paint, just dabbing onto a paper, and then you just dab it onto that pot. In that way it gives a nice marble effect. As I said, you can definitely choose the colors of your choice. If you want, you can go for black base coat and then go for some nice vibrant color which shows upon black, maybe like green or blue or yellow, something like that, and then dab it all over. I think red and white looks so pretty, right? And look how easy it is to do. And just keep doing it. It's so fun as well. It's really fun. And then keep doing it, and that's it. It's done. Now you can decorate it the way you want it to be. Like either you can make it as a flower vase. You can put on bunch of flowers and it's gonna look beautiful, or else you can just put it as it is onto a corner, still it looks as beautiful. So that's it. With that, our second home decor piece is done. Now we are gonna do water candle as our third one. Water candle is super simple, you guys, just takes hardly 5 minutes. So take a glass or bowl, anything of your choice, and then add few pebbles to it. It's optional, but then I will highly recommend you guys to add few pebbles because it turns out the look to be so good. And then add water. If you want, you can add few drops of food color as well, so that water has that color. And then just cut out a small piece of plastic sheet. Make sure that it is round in shape. I mean, basically it should be smaller in circumference than that of the glass we have used. So I've cut out in a circular shape. Now what we need to do is around in the center, just mark an X so that we can add in the wick inside that. Take a wig and then just put it inside it, and whatever excess wig is there, just cut it off. And then add on lamp oil or any oil of your choice. Once it is done, just put on this plastic sheet on top of this, and that's it, you guys. Just wait a couple of minutes so that this wick completely absorbs the oil. After that, just light it, and it looks so beautiful, especially when onto a dark corner of your room, or your dinner room or something like that. Just put onto a corner, and it looks so pretty, right? Super simple again, but then it looks so beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you guys another home decor, which is cushion cover. It's again very easy to make. It's very simple. It is actually like an envelope cushion cover. For that, first place the cushion on top of the fabric, whichever you have got. I have got a velvet fabric over here, and width is pretty simple to take because you can see how much width you need while you place cushion, or else you can actually take the measurement. I feel this is much easier. And length, what we have to do is you just need to take quite a lot of extra fabric from both the sides. Okay, I think at one side you need to take extra fabric as much as the cushion length is, and to other side you can take almost 3/4 of extra fabric. Okay, I hope you guys understood. I'm very poor at explaining things, but I really hope you guys have understood. Once it is done, it's pretty simple. All we need to do is just sew through the edges of both the cushion covers, like जो edges जो है ना, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Just sew through the edges, or else if you do not have a sewing machine, you can like do a running stitch with needle and thread. If not, you can even use fabric glue and or else glue gun. It's up to you guys, but then definitely if you have sewing machine, that is the best thing. Now I've given a stitch on both the sides of cushion. So once it is done, now what we need to do is we need to place the cushion onto this cushion cover and see how much width is needed. According to that, we can just sew the sides as well. With that, cushion cover would be done. So here I have placed the cushion just like so, and I'll be just wrapping it from both the sides like so. And now I have an idea how much like space is needed for this cushion. So once I've got an idea, I'll be just sewing through both these sides. So here you can take any fabric of your choice, velvet or cotton or whatever is available with you, you can take that. And also the best part is that as per your cushion size, you can do it, and it's very easy to like put into the cushion and just remove it, so you can easily take it out and wash it as well. So it's very easy to make, and it's very easy to manage as well, and also very affordable. This velvet fabric was just for 100 rupees, I guess, for a meter. So for 1 meter you can definitely stitch 4 cushions for sure. So it's very affordable, right? So once it is done, just put the cushion inside the cushion cover, and that's it, you guys. Cushion cover is ready. I think it's so beautiful. If you want, you can decorate it even more. That's up to you guys. If you want to add a lace or something like that to the borders, you can do that. But then I wanted to make it very simple and basic thing. That's the reason I didn't go for that. So it's done. Looks so pretty, right? At the same time, it was really easy to make. So with that, our fourth home decor is also done. Now let's move on to our fifth home decor, and that is again a canvas painting. So here I have used black as base coat. So I've already painted base I have already painted canvas with black acrylic paint. So once it is done, I've taken white color just onto a plate, and then I'll be just spreading it like so that it has an even coat of paint. And after that, I'll be repeating the same as we did for pot painting. I've taken this polythene cover. Any polythene cover would do, okay? Or else you can even take loofah. If you have your old loofah, you can even take that. But then I think you might not have old loofah with you. If so, you can definitely take polythene cover, then just squish it like so, and then just start dabbing it onto canvas. In that way, it gives a nice marble effect. So here, what I'm gonna paint is it's a tree. I think I am really obsessed with tree because I have been lately doing two, not two, I think I have done 4 paintings, which is super easy, super quick, but then all of them are trees. Next time I will try to do something else, okay? So here I'm gonna draw branches, and then that's it. Super simple. You can just leave it like that, but then I just wanted to give some more color to this canvas painting. For that, I've taken green acrylic paint again, and then just spreading it evenly. After that, I again with the same polythene cover, I was just dabbing onto the paint and over to the tree. That's it, you guys. It's done. Our fifth home decor or room decor or wall decor, whatever you want to call it, it is done. It's very simple, very easy, super quick. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it, and also I really hope you are gonna try this out. So in case if you try it out, please do send me the pictures. I would love to share it in my community tab. So that's it, you guys. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.